Imagine a teacher standing in front of their class. They place this large, empty glass jar on the table. Next to it, they have a pile of big rocks, some smaller pebbles, a bucket of sand, and 2 cups of coffee. The teacher starts by placing the big rocks into the jar, one by one, until no more can fit. Then they ask the class, "Is the jar full?" The students all agree, yes, it's full. But then the teacher picks up the pebbles and starts pouring them into the jar. They shake the jar lightly, and the pebbles wiggle down into the gaps between the big rocks. The teacher asks again, "Is the jar full now?" The students, catching on, hesitate a bit, but most still say yes. Next, the teacher grabs the bucket of sand and pours it into the jar. The sand fills up all the remaining tiny spaces between the rocks and the pebbles. Now the teacher asks for the 3rd time, "Is the jar full?" This time the students are pretty sure. Yes, they say it's definitely full now. But then the teacher smiles, picks up the 2 cups of coffee, and pours them into the jar, filling it to the absolute brim. The students laugh amazed. So what's the point of all this? The teacher explains that this jar represents your life. The big rocks are the most important things: your family, your partner, your health, your passions. These are the things that if everything else was lost and only they remained, your life would still be full and meaningful. The pebbles are the other things that matter, but are less critical, like your job, your house, or your car. And the sand? That's all the small stuff. The daily chores, the errands, the little distractions that can easily fill up our days. Here's the crucial part. If you put the sand in the jar first, there's no room for the pebbles or the big rocks. The same goes for your life. If you spend all your time and energy on the small, insignificant stuff, you will never have room for the things that are truly important to you. So what are the big rocks in your life? Take some time to identify them. Make sure you put them in your jar first. Set your priorities. The rest is just sand. Oh, and the coffee? It just shows that no matter how full your life may seem, there's always room for a cup of coffee with a friend. I hope this little story helps you think about your own priorities. What are your big rocks? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.